with me. Let's learn the letter F, happy as can be. Clap your hands and tap your feet. F is fun and oh so sweet. F for fish that swims so fast. In the water having a splash. F for frog that hops all day. Jumping on its way. F for fan that goes round and round, cooling us with the windy sound. F for fox, so clever and sly, running quickly, zooming by. F for flower, pretty and bright, smiling in the sunshine light. F for flag, flying up so high, waving hello in the sky. F for fruit, yummy to eat, healthy, juicy, and very sweet. F for fire, warm and bright, glowing softly in the night. F for feather, light as air, floating gently everywhere. F for family, love so true, they care for me and you. Now our F fun rhyme is through. Great job, kids, we're proud of you. Wave goodbye and come back soon, we'll learn